Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that you could have someone that you do not want to purchase your product. If that's the case, you can actually create your own blacklist. And to do that, you're just going to go to this left side menu. And there are three ways for you to add someone to the blacklist. You can add them by email, by IP, or you can blacklist an entire country. The other thing about that is that anytime you have a chargeback, someone purchased your product, you can actually have that person added to your blacklist automatically, and Rocketer will do that for you. Whenever you add someone, you can actually put a reason as to why you want them blacklisted. So in this particular case, if you want to put their IP address, you'll place that in this area, email address, or even the two-letter country code, which Rocketer will give you a hint for. You want to write in the reason and then click add. Now, there could be a case where you discover that this person does not belong on the blacklist. If that is the case, you're just going to go to view your blacklist and then you're going to click delete. We'll take that person off of your blacklist. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.